Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss some characteristics of organic compounds, functional groups and cohomologous series of organic compounds. First of all, we are going to discuss characteristics of organic compounds. This is one of the important questions asked in the examination point of view. Some characteristic features of organic compounds. Organic compounds are non-polar in nature and they are insoluble in water. First of all, solubility. Solubility, non-polar nature. Organic compounds are non-polar in nature. Compounds are classified into two, polar and non-polar. Polar are protic solvents, non-polar are aprotic solvents. Those substances readily soluble in water, that is called polar substances. Polar substances readily soluble in polar solvents like water. Non-polar substance not readily soluble in polar solvents like water, but it is readily soluble in non-polar solvents. Therefore, organic compounds are soluble in benzene, ether, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, etc., acetone, etc. Organic compounds are non-polar in nature, therefore they are readily soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, ether, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Physical nature. Physical nature, the lower members of organic compounds exist in the form of gases. Certain carbon number increases, they exist in the form of liquids. After that, organic compounds exist in waxy solids. So, they exist as lower members are gases, middle cases liquids, and extremely high cases they exist in the form of waxy solids. Melting and boiling point. Melting and boiling point. Organic compounds are non-polar in nature and these are covalent compounds. So, due to the weak force of attraction between the molecules, it shows low melting and boiling points. Low melting and boiling points. Low melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points are very low due to weak force of attraction or weak van der Waals forces present in these organic compounds. And isomerism. Organic compound shows the excellent property called isomerism. What is isomerism? Compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in structural arrangement are called isomerism. There are different types of isomerisms are possible. You simply say organic compounds shows isomerism and they are easily undergoes polymerization. Polymerization. Organic compounds undergo polymerization. For example, ethylene polymerized to give polyethylene, polymerization, and vinyl chloride polymerized to gives polyvinyl chloride. They shows the property of polymerization. Ethylene polymerized to polyethylene and vinyl chloride polymerized to give polyvinyl chloride. So, some properties isomerism, polymerization, and they are highly volatile. Lower members of organic compounds are highly volatile and easily evaporated. Therefore, these compounds are highly inflammable. Highly inflammable means these compounds easily catch fire. So, these are some salient features of these organic compounds. And the next topic is homologous series. Homologous series. So what are homologous series? A class of organic compounds related to one another and expressed by a general molecular formula called homologous series. A group or class of organic compounds related to one another and expressed by a general molecular formula called homologous series. We know that alkane series and alkyne series. Alkanes, the general molecular formula for alkanes, CnH2n plus 2 is a general molecular formula for alkane. So all the alkanes having the same elements carbon and hydrogen. It satisfies the formula CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n plus 2, the general molecular formula for alkanes. And alkenes, CnH2n, alkynes, CnH2n minus 2, alcohols and ethers, CnH2n plus 2O, CnH2n plus 2O. So homologous series. What are homologous series? What are the salient features of homologous series? A group or class of organic compounds related to one another and represented by a general molecular formula called homologous series. Now, the same general molecular formula, all the members of homologous series having same elements, carbon and hydrogen. So, alcohol means it consists of 3 elements, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It must satisfy the concerned formula associated with a particular group. And preparation. These organic compounds under the same category, they are prepared by the similar methods. They show similar chemical properties and there will be a regular gradation in physical properties such as melting and boiling point. Regular gradation means either gradual increases from top to bottom or gradual decreases from top to bottom. There will be a regular gradation in melting and boiling points, either moving from lower to higher members or higher to lower members. The successive members of homologous series are differed by the group called methylene group. So this is first alkanes, first member methane. The second member C2CH3CH3, that is C2H6. You can add CH2, it gives C2H6. Successive members of homologous series are differed by the group called methylene group. And these members of homologous series undergo similar chemical reaction. Suppose one compound undergo hydrolysis means all the compounds undergoes the same property called hydrolysis. So these are some properties of homologous series. The last topic is functional group. Functional group. What is functional group? The chemical properties of the members of homologous series are characterized by a group called functional group. Functional group is nothing but chemical properties of homologous series are characterized by a general group called functional group. For example, alcohols. All the alcohols having the functional group OH. Chemical property of alcohols are decided with the help of this OH group. So only I told this chemical properties of the homologous series are characterized by a group called functional group. You remember, if alcohol means you say OH as the functional groups. Halogens, it is generally represented as X. It means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Ethers, the functional group is O. Aldehydes, CHO. Ketones, CO, C double bond O or CO. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, the functional group is COOH. Nitro compounds, NO2. Amino compounds, NH2, so etc. And alcohols, OH, halogens, X, it means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Ethers, O, aldehydes, CHO, ketones, CO, carboxylic acid, COOH, nitro compounds, NO2, amino compounds, NH2. Some other functional group also there, it will be discussed in higher classes. So, in this module we learn about the characteristic properties of organic compounds, homologous series, and what are the salient features of homologous series, and what is functional group, various functional groups. So, you should thoroughly know about this concept. If you have any doubts, you may ask. You thoroughly read your text and take some notes for this portions. Thank you.